just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume